What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Eric. So here is how to change set the custom button. First turn on the camera. Once your camera is turned on, go to the menu. Once you go to the menu, go to camera setting 2. Okay, here will be the custom. Here will be custom key. Okay, I'm at the wrong one. Yeah, right now we are the right one. Dial wheel function, dial wheel audio lock, custom key. Yeah, you go to camera setting 2. So here how we change the custom key if we want. It's very simple. For example, C2 is I set for the white balance. Yeah, that's how you change the custom key. Camera setting 2, page 8, and custom key. Subscribe and bye.